How to make your wallet lucky. I will be showing you the ancient and almost lost wisdom on how to attract wealth. So stay with me until the end of the video to know how to increase your good fortune. 1. Silver coins. Silver represents the element of metal in Feng Shui ecosystem, which is associated with clarity, preciseness, and freshness. Silver coin is a symbol of abundance, wealth, as well as propensity to saving. 2. Banknotes. Keep it in your wallet to attract more money. Banknotes should be new and not crumpled up. And because you're attracting more money, the higher the denomination, the better. 3. Stones or crystals. Represents earth element in Feng Shui. They attract energies that nourish, stabilize, and grounding on a firm foundation. Opt for black or green stones for more potency. 4. Grains of rice. Represents good life and abundance. Reduce the impulse to spend money. Keep 21 grains of rice in your wallet to attract money. Change the grain now and then to attract fresh energy. 5. Seashells. Believed to relieve stress and provide one with good decision-making capacity, enhance intuition, improve sensitivity, imagination, and adaptability. 6. Seasalt. Known to absorb the negative energy in your wallet. Put it in your wallet at the onset of the new moon for higher potency. These things help align energies around you for better attracting money. But do remember, to attract money, you need to show respect by keeping your wallet in good condition. Please like, subscribe, and hit notification bell. Thank you for watching.